Every time you open your hood or talk to a mechanic, you are faced with a choice that could either save you hundreds of dollars or cost you thousands in future repairs. You see the terms everywhere: OEM, aftermarket, and used. But what do they actually mean for your car's performance and your wallet? Choosing the right components isn't just about finding the lowest price. It is about understanding the DNA of your vehicle. Today, we are going to dive into Car Parts Explained so you can make an informed decision every time you need a car repair. Whether you are looking for the best place to buy car parts online or trying to decide if that shiny new box is really better than a seasoned original, this guide is for you. To start, let's talk about the gold standard. OEM parts. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. These are the exact car parts that were inside your vehicle when it rolled off the assembly line. If you drive a Ford, the Ford branded box contains a part made either by Ford or a contractor specifically for that model. The biggest advantage here is the guarantee of fit and function. There's no guesswork involved. You know the bolt holes will line up, the sensors will communicate perfectly with the onboard computer, and the material quality meets the factory's strict safety standards. For critical systems like your engine internals or complex electronics, many experts agree that OEM parts are the safest bet. However, the dealership price for these items can be staggering, which leads many drivers to look at the aftermarket. Aftermarket car parts are manufactured by companies other than the original maker. Think of them like the store brand at a grocery store. Some aftermarket companies reverse engineer the original part to fix common flaws, occasionally resulting in a component that actually outperforms the original. But there is a catch. The quality varies wildly. While some brands are world-class, others are cheap knockoffs made of inferior alloys that might fail within months. This is why car repair becomes a bit of a gamble when you go with the cheapest possible aftermarket option. So, what if you want the high quality of an original factory component, but you don't want to pay the brand new premium? This is where used auto parts enter the conversation as the ultimate hack for savvy owners. When you buy a used OEM part, you are getting that perfect factory fit and the high-grade materials that the manufacturer intended, but at a price point that often beats even the cheapest aftermarket alternatives. It is the best of both worlds. You aren't compromising on the engineering, you are simply bypassing the retail markup. For body panels, alternators, or even suspension arms, a high-quality used part is often the smartest way to keep your car authentic without draining your bank account. Knowing which type to choose is only half the battle. You also need to know the best place to buy car parts. The traditional route was driving from one local salvage yard to another, but in 2026, the best place to buy car parts is online. Shopping through a digital inventory allows you to compare specifications, check compatibility using your VIN, and read up on the history of the component before it ever reaches your door. This transparency has revolutionized the industry, making it easier than ever for the average driver to access professional-grade components without needing a mechanic's license. Ultimately, your choice depends on the vitality of the part. If you are replacing a non-essential plastic trim piece or a mirror, aftermarket is often fine. But if you are working on your transmission, your cooling system, or your sensors, sticking to the original engineering is vital. By sourcing used OEM components, you are choosing a sustainable, cost-effective, and high-performance path that keeps your vehicle running exactly the way the engineers designed it to. If you found this breakdown of Car Parts Explained useful, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Sharing this video helps other drivers avoid the common pitfalls of expensive repairs and low-quality components. We are dedicated to helping you master your vehicle maintenance while keeping your budget intact. If you are currently searching for the perfect component and want to avoid the aftermarket lottery, we can help. For the best place to buy car parts online, look no further than our massive inventory. We specialize in high-quality, inspected used OEM parts that offer the reliability of the factory at a price you can actually afford. Visit us today at https://qualityautoparts.com to find exactly what you need for your next car repair. Let us help you get back on the road with confidence and a heavier wallet.